So this system has now been running for a year, which also means that Tesla Powerwall 3 has been in the UK for about a year. So how has the Powerwall performed, and have there been any issues with the system? Well, the good news is it's been almost flawless. Pretty much every Powerwall 3 we've installed, including this one, has done exactly what it said on the tin from day one. There's been no fiddling, no endless maintenance, and no switch it off and on again moments. Once the tariffs are set up, it just quietly gets on with the job, and the only thing you might ever need is the occasional solar panel clean, maybe once every few years. There was one minor hiccup with this particular system about a month ago, in that Tesla issued a firmware update which didn't install properly in the battery. So the Powerwall did stop working for one day, at which point we sent an electrician out to reset the system and fix the issue, and it was back up and running again within an hour. That issue was a one-off connection issue, which is rare with Powerwall, and it won't happen again. So 1 year on, was it all worth it? Well, absolutely. Sam slashed his bills by nearly 90%, exported hundreds of pounds of clean electricity back to the grid, and has a future-proof system that will only get more valuable as electricity prices increase. If you've got solar and battery, let us know in the comments how much you're saving each year. And if you're interested in finding out what you could save, get in touch with Spirit Energy for a free quote. And of course, subscribe for more videos like this, because we've got 15 years of solar experience to share and plenty more case studies on the way.